In front of me is ULEFONE Note 7P, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So first of all, open your phone gallery, that will be the first method, and you can reach those numbers via secret code, and the code for it is *pound 06 pound. And that's it. As you can see, IMEI and serial numbers are right in front of you, so they just pop up. Tap on OK then. And the second method, if somehow secret code is not working at your device, you need to reach the settings, go to about device, and here you will be able to check serial number right here and both IMEI numbers under IMEI. So this is it, that will be all. You can reach unique numbers assigned to your ULEFONE. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.